We're here with Kadine Young, today's man of the match. First of all, congrats. Good win. How are you feeling after today's game?
Um, I'm feeling very great.
So you started in the middle of the park and you were controlling the game and making a lot of plays. Speak to us about how your individual performance was today.
My individual performance was to control the game, take ball, move in the spaces, and yes,
So you were wreaking havoc all game on the Calabar's defense. You know, you won some free kicks.
yes.
The one that led to the goal, you got an assist. Um, Speak to us about your importance to this St. Catherine High School team.
Important is um really to talk to the team, man at team, is it? Yes, and yes.
All right, so you guys have been doing well so far. One of the favorites to win the competition. What do you think are your guys' chance, or how do you guys feel in the camp about going forward and doing well in this Manning Cup?
Yes, we can do very, very good. We like to win this money.